guys, good evening. Where we are tonight. Actually, kanina break is actually not planned. We were actually lying down on our bed na sa bahay. Then, what happened is, immediately we decided na we want to take a break for a while. This room is the deluxe room namin sa second floor dito sa Camp Holiday. We have this single bed na separate siya, twin bed, and here's Totz. Siya gid ang nag-request na gusto ni gid siya mo take a break from the pressure. So yun, nakaisip me na mag-take a break for a while. So room is about siguro, I'm not sure kung sa kanako, but the room is good actually. Limpyo siya. We have the toilet, as you can see guys. Toilet is clean. Then we have the hot and cold shower, and it's working. And it's working! It's working! What are we watching? Viva Films. It's a sensual So guys, here we are. That's all. Maglabas na karon.
Pinapakita ko lang, parang pinipil ko talaga.
Let's ask Totz kung saan ihang maingon sa ato ang room. Isa may maingon na sa ato ang room.
Okay.
We are going out sa convenience store. Mamalit may og shampoo. Hello guys, it's past 12 in the midnight. And we decided na maggawas sa amuang room because it seems medyo bibo pa ang naa dito sa labas.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
Here we are going out of the resort. A gig is happening here. Live performance. Red Horse na Pavilion. Si Totz nag-order. Hey guys, we are here sa beach line ng Camp Holiday. Medyo dark lang, it's because gabi eh. Yes guys, here we are chilling for a bit. One order of Red Horse Stallion for me and one apple sandwich for Totz. So as you can see, medyo yun. We just want to spend our time together. Like medyo we're gonna get wala naka-chill, no? So here sa Camp Holiday, it's not really the expense ang mga ginamit. It's more like the ambience na ma-relax po ka sa imong vacation. And sagli na si Totz, kinabawa na siya. So there's a live band actually, then there's a performance comedy, comedy bar siya na style. Ang una balitan, regular na sila, not regular but almost every Saturday na yun siya live bar today. So you can see the singers actually good, and there's some people around, which is medyo lively siya diri kahit gabi na. So I hope guys you visit the area, or you visit the place because Lando! So what can you say?
Chill.
Chill. So yun yun. So guys, cheers! Cheers to! Cheers!
Year's Eve countdown. Ayun, advance sa year. Correct. Advance Merry Christmas din po.
I'm not a good drinker, so I just...
Yes.
So I'm promoting Sunshine Apple. So please.
For heavy drinkers, choose Red Horse. Even I myself is not a good drinker. Okay guys, after more than an hour of chilling, somewhere sa entrance sa Camp Holiday. Actually, makita ni mo ang sign, Camp Holiday. And we are going to the convenience store. And as of now, medyo mingaw na because it's almost 1 a.m. And I think it's safe naman here because as you can see, may mga military checkpoints happening everywhere. And actually, convenience store is just beside the Camp Holiday. The convenience store. And look at the line. Taas kayo ang linya. There is a convenience store. Malitao. Chicken Mami. Cup Noodle. Bumper. Alpine. Cologne. So, kung sa may, palitan na to. Cookies and cream. Inside the Camp Holiday Beach Resort. We bought some necessity. It's like necessity for tomorrow and tonight, of course. So that's all, and I'll get back to you once we are back in our room. And Totz is actually calculating everything because we've paid for about 300 plus for the
Nice ang capture dito.
nice and capture dito. Nasa naman po? Nice na po na yung capture dito. Hello guys, last night we got drunk a little bit. I am not really a good drinker. Nahubog jud ko. It's almost 10 a.m. And medyo nasobrahan dito ako matulog. So, I'm not sure if ligo pa may pool. I want to show you what is outside our room. And here it is. Not a bad view for a 1,800 budget. So going back into our room. Lazy time. Guys, going back to the pavilion. I telephoned room, so I have to mano order some breakfast for us. Though it's already late, almost 10 a.m. Guys, I ordered some sunny side up, then one-piece chicken, tapos longganisa with pork barbecue. So let's see how does it taste. Actually, this is not the first time, but their food was great. When let's wait for our breakfast meal. Hi Totz, how are you? The Kelvinator. We are going to have our breakfast right on that table. So we're just waiting for the order to arrive, and yes, we are hungry. We just love being lazy today. We're not really in the mood to go to the pool, and what we just want is to chill. In another life, I will be your boy. Ah! Massage. Breakfast is here. Barbecue and the longganisa, and then the chicken and the rice. Tapos sunny side up egg. Actually, we paid 407 pesos, 17 pesos for this. It's actually quite expensive for a breakfast. Fine, hindi naman siya. Let's have our breakfast. Chorizo. Getting kinamot. Ouch! Langaw. I got a very messy hands. Look at this. Eating in a kinamot way is the best, simply for us Filipinos. What can you say about the breakfast thought eating in?
So heavy.
So heavy.
Heavy in the pocket.
Heavy in the pocket. Yes, of course it is. But anyway, it's worth it. It's worth it. Okay guys, after eating our breakfast, here we are having our manga, and I will show you how to panit a manga.
I love that. Hi. 3 pesos only. Hi. Because I know how to trash talk. How do you put the manga? You put the manga like this in here. You look at it and very, let us request that she will put the manga.
Yes. After the one of the best breakfast ever, kapanit na gid me. Oh, manga. Here there is the manga. Manga. Look at the water. Hello guys. Okay, it's time to leave the room. It's time to leave the resort because 12 noon is supposedly the checkout. Earlier, there is no time for pool since we woke up for almost 10 a.m. Kids pool over there. And there's an adult pool over there. Sayang lang. But anyway, it's a nice break we had. Medyo stress relieving siya. Then, okay, well, we are waiting for our checkout call. There is Totz. She's crazy. Huh? 417? Uy! Here's our checkout call. Finally, sa Camp Holiday. Then, we're going back home. Guys, si Totz, medyo haggard. Ako haggard. Gusto wala ko gibuhat.